Alright, so I decided to paint my skates. I wanted to do a cool design. But first, you want to take your shoestrings out of your skates, stuff the skates, so when you draw on it, it won't have any give, it'll be solid, so you can have a nice drawing to work off of when you start to paint. I recommend drawing something first to have an idea of what you want to do. We're using acrylic paint, a couple Sharpies to draw my design onto the skate first, Modge Podge for after, so the paint will set right. A couple brushes and a sponge brush for the Modge Podge, and maybe like a small cup to put water in for the paint brushes. This is how they look right now, and hopefully it turns out well. Alright, so I finally finished painting my skates. I think they came out pretty well. As you can see, I got a Dragon Ball design, like Shenron's dragon scales on the back. I think it came out pretty cool. And on the other one, on the back, I have like Piccolo's arm, Nimbus Cloud, Red Ribbon Army ribbon, DBZ, and a power level over 9,000 thing. So yeah, this is how they look. That's how they look. I think they turned out pretty well. What do y'all think?